Hello, welcome back to my polytunnel from construction to harvesting, and this is episode 7. In this episode, this was supposed to be a time-lapse video showing us putting the liner up, but as you can see it's already up. This is because it took several days, we had rain delays, and we just decided to just get on with it and get it up. Right, so what we've done since the last episode, we've put wood chips down on top of the black membrane, and we managed to source locally some lovely oak floorboards to make the staging, which have been secured in the centre. And then at either end, I'm not sure if you can see these, we've got foam insulating piping that you'd normally put on your pipes in the house. This is to protect the very edge of the staging, because it is actually touching the polytunnel and we don't want any damage. So before we put the liner up, we went right the way round and covered every single piece that touches the liner. Again, I'm not sure if you can see this, in this white heat resistant foam, because in the summer the temperatures are going to get very hot and it could actually damage the liner again. So once the liner was up and over, we tensioned it, pulled it really tight, created an attractive fan shape, hopefully level down to where it straightens up and goes down to the ground. And then as we pulled it really tight, we nailed in the edging strips on the door frame just to hold it all securely in place. And then once that was done at either end, I don't know if you can see this, but on the outside managed to put all of the big clumps of earth and grass that I dug up to make a channel, put them all the way round just to make sure everything's nice and secure, stamped it all down and filled in the gaps with earth. So hopefully everything's going to be nice and secure now. We've also put a door on this end, still have a window to do, and also at the other end as well. So the next stage was bringing in things that I've been growing on in a cold frame and in the house on windowsills. It's still only March, but we've already got sweet peas up and some sunflowers. I've done a few annual flower seeds here, but mostly that is going to be in the beds. Along here again we've got tomatoes, peppers and courgettes. So hopefully in the next few weeks they'll all start coming through with the warmer weather. We are now into early March, so things will soon start growing. In the next episode, I'm going to be preparing the seed bed. We're going to be starting to get vegetable seeds in at this end, and then maybe a few annual flower seeds at that end as well. And also we're going to buy some plastic guttering, some pipes, and create across the roof of the polytunnel, we're going to create hanging strawberries that are going to hang hopefully from the guttering, which will be attractive and of course produce lots of nice strawberries for us. So that's it for episode 7. Episode 6, episode 7 will be soon, and we look forward to you joining us, and we'll see you then. So goodbye, Harvey. Bye.